Hello, folks, welcome back to RimWorld. Today, we are going to follow the story of Ingrid again. So, this episode will contain some of the events that happened in parallel to the previous episode. While we were following the amazing journey of Flambeau in the previous episode, this episode we are going to take a look at what Ingrid was up to during that time and how she ended up owning this awesome vehicle for herself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So we start our journey by Ingrid traveling around the world trying to gather all the car parts needed to make a car up and running. So while on her travels, she came across a bunch of raids and caravan ambushes. So let's see what happens. We got ambushed by manhunters. So let's see what we have. Oh, this is bad. So these are dragons, which are really hard to kill. They have good fur, but all of them are scaria infected, so I think they would all rot. Consume rotting vegetables spare times, but most people would rather starve. Oh, we have a truck here as well. This is a regular truck which has, I don't know, just properties. We have a refrigerator truck as well, a car. Okay, but first things first, we need to take care of them without them affecting us. So we need to be able to find an area to shoot them without them shooting us. We can actually hold up here. Seems like a pretty good area. That or this. Let me think. How far are they? And all of you. This piggy is definitely going to die because prisoners don't follow our commands normally. So Ingrid, why don't you do me a favor and knock this piggy off? In the meantime, everybody else just leg it here. Neville, you also come here. Okay, I'll arrange them. Okay, done. Health. Blood loss moderate. Okay, Ingrid, one more time. Yes, I wanna knock him out. Okay, good. Now, you quickly come this way. And you dropped your sword again, as usual. Who has Ingrid's sword? Neville has his own sword. Not Piggy, not Ingrid. Wait, who has Ingrid's sword?
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm really going mad here. Yeah, I can't seem to find it. Maybe when we reform the caravan, we will be able to see it, but right now I don't see Ingrid's sword anywhere. Hopefully she did not drop it in some weird way. Tony, you come here. Play. Ingrid, you stand behind Tony. Neville, you come here. Andrew, you come here. Where are they? They are coming. We cannot go here. Okay, that's fine. Tony, you stand back. Ingrid, come here. They are all sleep deprived. I made them march a lot, so Andrew already collapsed. Good thing is Ingrid doesn't need to sleep. Philip doesn't need to sleep, so these two should be standing. Philip, you cannot even come here. Andrew is taking this precious spot. Okay, let's get going. Ingrid has already started gunning down some of them. Now Tony has collapsed. Extreme exhaustion. Nah, this guy has come back up. Tony has come back up. Nice. Tony, come here and take this front. Andrew or Ingrid, you come back. Tony is literally slicing them off. Now, Tony, can you be the block up here? No, it's okay. Let me attack. This is interesting. I think we are good. We should be able to take care. Neville has. Okay. Yeah, they will go down one by one because of lack of sleep. That's expected. But Philip is still doing a lot of work. Philip, Tony, as well as Ingrid. Wonderful. We are able to get all the dragons without actually getting any of our characters seriously injured. You have your pinky bitten off, that's fine. Self-tend. You don't need medicine for that. Everybody else, how are they doing? They're doing pretty good. So let me just clean up this mess. We can just chop off some of these dragons. So we came into this worshipful village quest. We got this quest a long time back, but finally we made it to this village. And they seem to have a healer mech serum and little bit of luciferium just lying around in the hospital. Might as well pick those up on the way before hacking the terminal. Get, get done, hack the terminal, and just run from there. Okay, you don't need to fight, just run.
Meanwhile,
Black Hive is attacking, and nobody's home. Everybody is caravanning outside. So, yeah, we'll just let them ravage the base. We don't really care. This is the base we actually snatched from the piggies. It has little bit of stuff left, but I don't think these Black Hive things will steal anything. They'll just destroy a bunch of buildings. We had a bunch of defenses like turrets and stuff like that, but unfortunately our generators went out, so yeah, they ran out of fuel. So we got a N4 type variant wander in. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. These are manhunters, so hopefully they will calm down over time, but they are really tough to take down. Future Laddie here. So we got to see how difficult it is to kill a single variant when the pirates attacked our base again in time. We were still out caravanning, so nobody was home, but let's just still enjoy the carnage one of these variants did on the pirates. The amount of pounding this guy took with so many shotguns and different kinds of SMGs firing at it, plus two melee guys or three melee guys fighting it. It's ridiculous. So Ingrid's caravan got attacked by 50 waspers, and they're asking for a mare and a stallion, which I'm obviously not gonna give them. So currently Ingrid is alone with her animals, but I think Ingrid should be able to take care of 50 wasters by herself. So let's see. Refuse and fight. Let's just juke them and kill them. Yeah, Piggy. Death in 2 hours. Hmm. I would like to keep my Piggy. So come here, Ingrid. And we can use one of your coagulate abilities to actually save him. And how's my donkey doing? 20 hours. Okay, so this Piggy is not going to die anytime soon. That's good. He has extreme blood loss, so he will not get up anytime soon. That's good. Ingrid, how much hemogen do you need? 20 hemogen. Hmm, 10. Let's see if we can just. Yeah, patch. That's it. Let's keep fighting. So we got some prisoners. Let me just pack up and leave. Quest from C's to kill a piggy camp with 13 piggies. We just destroyed a piggy village with 30, 40 piggies. So this should not be a problem for us. We'll just accept this for advanced components. Let's just get it over with. It can easily tackle it. She didn't even bring her sword. That's how confident she is. Yeah, they bled out. This is the ridiculousness of 500% on Void. They are attacking with 28 members of Void against our 6 colonists, which are not even capable of taking more than 2. Unfortunately, this time I will have to give up my stallion. Price is not that big, and there is no way we can win this. We are on the hunt for car parts, and we still haven't found a single trading place that would sell us car alternators. And that's the only thing that we do not currently have. So while we are here, let's just check out this pirate base. Because the last pirate base we raided did have some car parts. So let's just send Ingrid out to destroy this pirate base and grab whatever loot we can. So Ingrid did her traditional ringa ringa rosy around this whole pirate base drew out all the pirates, blew up a couple of mines, IEDs, and is almost about to finish up with this base. She is really upset about lack of recreation, so her mood is really bad. She does have a 1% minor break chance though. I'll just clean up whatever is remaining inside the base as well as the turrets and see folks afterwards. This one waster is literally holding the whole fort. Or the second one. Crisis of belief. Ingrid, you cannot have a crisis of belief of your own religion. Okay. Philip, it's your time to shine. Philip, sit. Okay, Philip is here. Come on, Philip. Yep, that's all we want out of you. Just kill the last remaining ones so we can claim this. At least we can claim the mines. Ingrid, where are you going? You stupid, sad wonder. You're literally ruining your armor by walking into gunfire. Philip, it's all up to you. Come on, fast. You need to save Ingrid. She is doing stupid things. A shield is good. Shield is holding on for now. She's literally walking in all the turrets. Okay, kill this guy, Philip. And then quickly come in. We need to kill all these turrets. These turrets are a mess. I'm gonna be so upset with you, Ingrid. You literally got your toe destroyed. And your void shield is not even recharging, so you're taking a lot of damage to your gear. What the fuck is wrong with you? Yep, that's what is going to happen. That's on you, Ingrid. That's not on me. Yep, Philip, just quickly clear all of these guns before Ingrid does more damage to herself. Kill this guy as well. Good. Finally, we can actually claim all the mines. At least Ingrid would not walk on the mines. Bionics. Yeah, we don't care about bionics. This is a good sword. Ooh, super citizen implant. Damn it. Okay, I thought it was something else. This is... We already have a grinder. Yeah, we got a couple of good weapons out of it at least. I don't think we are going to use any of them. We're just going to sell most of them. Okay, so let me clean up this mess and carry whatever we can. So we got a quest for Kerry, who's willing to betray Void to join us, and she'll be attacked by a bunch of Void people coming after her. We could just pack up and leave, because currently our base is just like a temporary placeholder. So let me show you what do I mean by that. So this base has literally nothing going for it. This is just something that we claimed a piggy village and we kept it for doing surgeries and stuff like that, but there's nothing to build here. Our main base would be the ancient vault that we are still trying to find. Here. So, she is a fully decked up white person. Like, she is gonna be invaluable. I don't think I would even take any implants out. She's fully decked up, 35 baseliner, and she is carrying Dust Mag. That is so good. Plus Neotonin 4B. This is like the perfect thing. So let's do one thing. Let's just ask her to leave the map. We don't want her to stay here. Void can come here and do whatever they want. We don't care about that. You come here. You'll take 1.1 days. You won't die in 1 day. We have lots of food. So welcome our new member, Kiri. The void raid of 2 people. If we were around, we could have taken them. But we are currently too far away caravanning. However, we did get a quest from whatever this name is to have 500 toxic waste packs. It would be fun to see Void fight against the bugs. Members of Void are satisfied with the damage they have done and are leaving. And waste packs did not reach in time. They will dissolve eventually, and eventually it will spawn a bunch of infestations. We are just going to abandon that tile. There's nothing left in that tile. We took the gold and toner generator out of it. So, bye-bye. Oh, we had a lot of pollution. Enjoy the pollution, Void. So, we are at another ancient complex. The thing is, I have been trying to go through all the sites in the world. I have been through all of this northeast US settlements, at least in the south, east and south corner. And none of them seem to sell car alternators, and we need that to get our cars running. So I think the only way we can get that going is by biting the bullet and actually researching that. We should note that Ingrid's current research speed is 6000%. Because of all the implants that we gave Ingrid. Ideologen also gives 150% boost, work speed is really high, intellectual manipulation sight. So 6133% is the current research speed of Ingrid. So I think we should be done with this research in literally no time. So let's see how fast Ingrid does this research. We have just started the research. And let's keep an eye. Once Ingrid is done relaxing, I guess. So, let's see the research progress bar. Ingrid, where are you going now? Okay, she's doing research with a bunch of different items, I guess. Okay, I'll just lock Ingrid here. You might note a couple of bugs running around. Again, bugs are friendly with us because we are ancients in this scenario. So they are a slight annoyance, but they should not harm us. We have decent indoor temperature because of the fire. And this is only at 1x speed. We have just completed 500. Now we are going towards 700, and once it is done, we should be able to make the car alternator this is the only thing that has been keeping us from actually getting the vehicles. Okay, I'll see you after this research is done. We got the garage bench and we are just going to make like 6 alternators so that we can quickly repair a vehicle. So if you can see here, we got one light armored vehicle and I think we should be able to restore this. So let's quickly make these things once Ingrid is up, I guess. Ingrid. Oh, you cannot craft. Let me find a crafter who can. We got Andrew from our caravan and we sent everybody else except for Andrew and Ingrid. So Andrew can work at garage bench in the meantime. And Andrew has decent enough skill and we want to train Andrew in crafting anyways. Kiri has 20 in terms of crafting because Kiri is a white pawn. She has maxed out everything. So might as well give some experience to Andrew. And Ingrid is in the meantime trying to restore the vehicle. So where are you, Ingrid? Okay, she restored this. So we need 2 engine blocks, 2 alternators, 4 exhaust, 8 suspensions or 7 suspensions. Damn, we need 7 wheels. Steel, components, fuel tank, transmission, radiator. I think we have almost everything. So we should be able to get this running. This was the only thing that was keeping us, the car alternators. Man, it was so hard to find that. So Andrew, start working on that. And Ingrid, you can start restoring that. We have 2.6 days to quickly do this and repair the vehicle and leave. I don't want to stay in this tile for more than that. So let's split. Take all of our stuff in terms of cars. I'm not counting, I'm just carrying everything I can. Send somebody. I'll just send Neville. Neville can construct as well. Neville, enter. Okay. You got everything. Construction is too low. Okay. How much construction do you need? Doesn't say. Ingrid, can you? Yeah, Ingrid can. So Neville, come here. Beat out this fire before Ingrid comes. And Ingrid, you come here as well. What's your moving speed? 4. We need to give some implants to Neville. He's not running that fast. Ingrid is now 21.58. She got more implants. And she has decent enough construction. Come on, Neville. Why are you so slow? Keep running. Alternators, how are they coming in? 1, 2. Yeah, this is all we need. We are just going to make some spares for the road if we find some other good things. And let me find some more steel. We need a lot of steel to actually build this thing. Okay, done. From here, let's drop everything that you have and see how much we can make out of it. Now Ingrid, start restoring it. After a long time hauling every single piece of steel and components, we are able to build our Paladin, which is a general purpose armored personal carrier, fast for carrying troops, so we do need that, and a decent cargo capacity of 310. So this should be good in terms of caravanning. The major downside are no tracks or better terrain navigation and thinner plating in the rear. So we are never going to use it more or less for protection because none of the vehicles will survive fight against a void. Navigation will be slightly slower on some terrains, but still, this should be good enough. So this is how Ingrid ended up owning this ultimate Paladin carrier. It can hold a bunch of cargo, as you can see, as well as the pawns. And interestingly enough, the cargo capacity does not include the pawn weight. So you can see 288.57, and if I unload Ingrid, the still mass carried is the same. So that way we can carry a lot of colonists as passengers without their gear costing us space, cargo space. So that's why this paladin can be really good. Next episode, we are going to see how effective this can be on our caravanning. I hope you enjoyed this episode. In the next episode, we are going to explore some more of the Ingrid's tales and her caravanning adventures. See you folks next time.